To configure Apple Pay contactless payment, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay, which includes iPhone 6 and later models, Apple Watch, iPad Air 2 and later, and MacBook Pro with Touch ID. First, you need to add a credit or debit card to the Wallet app on your device. Open the Wallet app, then tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select Continue and choose the type of card you want to add, either a credit or debit card. Next, use the camera to capture the card information or enter the details manually. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the card issuer. After adding your card, you will receive a verification code from your bank, which you will need to enter to activate the card for Apple Pay. Once your card is verified, you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments. To do this, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. For Apple Watch, double-click the side button to use Apple Pay. To manage your cards, open the Wallet app, tap on a card to see the transactions, and use the Information button to access more details about the card. Best practices include keeping your device and cards up to date, monitoring your transactions regularly, and reporting any suspicious activity to your bank. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely use Apple Pay for contactless payments.